Hello everyone, this is Shekho. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, today I would like to talk about would part 3. Friends, when we imagine a situation or action, we can use would. For repeated past actions, we can also use would. Both concepts we have already discussed in part 1 and part 2. If you want to watch those part 2 and part 2, I am leaving the icons on the top of the screen and the links will be given in the description. Friends, in part 1 and part 2, the structure is simple, would plus V1. But in part 3, the structure is would have plus V3. What does it mean? Yes, to talk about something that you wanted to do, but you did not do that, but it did not happen, there you can use would have plus V3. Friends, if you go through some examples, you can understand, you will have better understanding on how to use would have plus V3 in our daily conversation. Let's go through that. If you had got enough money, you would have bought a car. Look at this, would have bought. What does it mean? You would have bought. Yes, you wanted to buy a car. You would have bought means you wanted to buy a car, but you did not do that. It did not happen. You buying a car did not happen because you did not have enough money, right? Let's go to the next example. He would have gone to the party, but he was really busy. He would have gone to the party. What does it mean? He would have gone. That means he wanted to go, but he did not go. He wanted to go to the party, but he did not go to the party. It did not happen because he was really busy. That's why he did not go to the party. Actually, he wanted to go to the party, but it did not happen, right? Third one, I would have called you, but I did not know your number. Would have called. It means I wanted to call you, but I did not call you. I calling you did not happen because I did not know your number, right? Let's see the last one. If I had known she was vegetarian, I would have arranged a vegetarian meal. I would have arranged a vegetarian meal. That means I wanted to arrange a vegetarian meal for her. I wanted to arrange a vegetarian meal, but it did not happen. I arranging vegetarian meal for her did not happen because I did not know that she was vegetarian, right? Friends, look at this. The structure is would have plus V3. V3 is past participle. Look at this, would have bought. Here bought is V3 form. The base form of the verb is buy. Buy, bought, bought. Buy is V1 form, bought is V2 form. Again bought is V3 form. So V1 is present tense, V2 is past tense, V3 is past participle. In the second example, we have written would have gone. So gone is V3 form. Go, went, gone. Okay. The third one would have called. Here called is V3 form. The base form of the verb is call, called, called. And the last one arranged. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Friends, I strongly believe that hereafter you can use this structure would have plus V3 in your daily conversation. Friends, please let me know your opinion about this class or about my teaching. Please post them in the comment section. And let's meet again with new topic, would part 4. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.